In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Roblox error. Disconnected, you were kicked from this game. You have been banned for cheating suspicious. Unbanned in 10 hours. Error code 267. The Roblox error code 267 with the message you were kicked from this game. You have been banned for cheating suspicion. Unbanned in 10 hours means that the game developers anti-cheat system flagged your account and temporarily banned you from the specific game, not from Roblox itself. What this means? This is not a Roblox wide ban. You are banned from that particular game from 10 hours. The ban was issued by the game creator, not the Roblox app. What you can do, you can simply wait for 10 hours. This is a temporary ban. After 10 hours, you will be automatically unbanned. Don't try to bypass the timer, it may lead to a permanent ban. Don't use exploit or modified apps. You were banned for cheating suspicion, which can be triggered by third-party apps like Delta Executor or RCSX. Lag switch tools, autoclickers or scripts. Using modded Roblox clients or VPNs. Stop using these tools or you may get permanently banned from that game or worse from Roblox. Try a different game. You can still play other Roblox games. Use your account as normal. This ban only affects the one game you were kicked from. Appeal to game developers. It is optional. You can appeal to the game developer. If you believe this was a false ban, join the game's Discord or group. Check the game's about page. Politely message a mod admin with your username and explain. Some developers may remove the ban early if it was a mistake. Some was not. My final advice is to avoid this error in the future. Play fairly, no hacks, no mods, no suspicious tools. Avoid joining suspicious games that trigger bans easily. So you have no other option, you just simply wait for 10 hours. Your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.